Welcome to our roundup of the best drones with cameras. Whether you're into aerial photography, filmmaking, or simply want to explore the skies, these top drones deliver stunning visuals, stability, and smart flight features. From compact designs to pro-grade imaging, each model is handpicked for performance, value, and reliability. Don't forget to check the description below for the latest deals and links. Let's take off and find the perfect drone for your needs. The first on the list is the FIMI Mini 3 Pro. Lightweight, powerful, and packed with advanced imaging, the FIMI Mini 3 Pro sets a high standard for compact drones. Weighing under 250 grams, it's travel-friendly yet capable of professional quality visuals. The 4K HDR camera with a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor captures vivid colors and exceptional detail, while the 3-axis mechanical gimbal ensures smooth, cinematic footage. Its impressive 51-minute flight time lets you shoot longer without constant recharging. The Mini 3 Pro also includes Level 5 wind resistance and an advanced GPS system for rock-solid stability. Smart features like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Smart Tracking make creative shooting effortless, even for beginners. The 9-kilometer real-time HD transmission provides crystal-clear viewing during flights, keeping control seamless and responsive. Compact yet capable, the Mini 3 Pro perfectly blends endurance, portability, and image quality. Overall, it's an excellent choice for creators who want a reliable, high-performance drone without the bulk. Next up is the Vesmatity S2S Mini Drone. Affordable, easy to fly, and packed with features, the Vesmatity S2S is ideal for beginners and hobbyists. Its 4K dual-camera system captures detailed images from both front and bottom angles, allowing creative shooting perspectives. The optical flow positioning ensures steady hovering, while gesture and voice control make piloting intuitive and fun. With up to 25 minutes of flight per battery, and 2 batteries included, you can enjoy nearly an hour of airtime. Features like one-key takeoff, headless mode, and altitude hold simplify control, even for new pilots. Foldable and lightweight, it's easy to carry anywhere. Though it lacks advanced GPS and tracking found in pricier models, it offers reliable stability and sharp imaging for casual users. Overall, the Vesmatity S2S is a fun, affordable drone that makes learning to fly smooth and rewarding. Next, we have the Xiaomi Mijia V198 Max drone. Built for serious aerial photographers, the V198 Max delivers outstanding imaging and intelligent control. Its 6K Ultra HD camera with a 3-axis gimbal produces crystal-clear footage with exceptional stability. Backed by a GPS-assisted smart flight system, it offers multiple shooting modes like Follow Me, Waypoint, and Surround Flight for easy cinematic captures. Brushless motors ensure quiet, efficient flight, while the drone's 5,000-meter control range and 30-minute flight time give you room to explore. Automatic return to home protects against signal loss or low battery. The aerodynamic, foldable design enhances portability and durability, making it perfect for travel. Though it's slightly heavier than mini drones, its professional performance and intelligent controls easily make up for it. Overall, the V198 Max is a top-tier pick for creators who need sharp visuals, long range, and reliable stability. Next, we have the GSF L600 Pro Max GPS drone. This model is a balanced mix of performance and practicality. The 4K EIS electronic image stabilization camera captures smooth, stabilized video, while dual GPS and optical flow positioning ensure precision even in tricky conditions. The 3,600 mAh battery supports up to 28 minutes of flight, giving you plenty of time for creative shooting. Intelligent flight functions like Follow Me, gesture control, and Waypoint mode allow automated hands-free filming. Its brushless motors run quietly while providing strong lift and control, and the foldable design makes transport simple. The 1,200-meter control range gives you freedom to explore wide spaces confidently. Although not as feature-rich as flagship drones, it delivers reliable flight and quality footage for its price. Overall, the L600 Pro Max is a durable and dependable choice offering excellent value for money. The last one on our list is the Xiaomi Mijia M6 drone. The Mijia M6 combines high-end performance with intelligent safety. Featuring a 6K HD camera with a 3-axis gimbal, it delivers cinematic quality shots in smooth, stabilized motion. The multi-directional obstacle avoidance sensors detect and avoid obstacles automatically, making flying safer even for less experienced pilots. Its dual GPS and GLONASS system ensures precise hovering and smooth navigation. With a maximum flight time of 35 minutes, the M6 allows long, uninterrupted sessions. Intelligent modes such as Follow Me, Circle, and Waypoint Flight simplify professional-style filming. The foldable, lightweight design enhances portability, while the powerful motor ensures stable performance in windy conditions. While setup might feel advanced for first-time users, its flight precision and image clarity make it worth the learning curve. Overall, the Xiaomi M6 stands out for its obstacle avoidance, 6K imaging, and long battery life, offering pro-grade performance in a compact build. So, that wraps up our list of the best drones with cameras available today. Whether you value portability, intelligent control, or cinematic quality, there's something here for everyone, from beginners to seasoned flyers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more detailed product roundups. Check the description below for updated prices and links. Thanks for watching, and as always, fly safe and capture something amazing.